Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book Lufthansa flight. So first thing they should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Lufthansa. And then you just have to log in or register if you don't have an account yet. So you have that option right here. So once you've created your account, you can now book your flight. So for example, we are going to select flight right here. And then for the trip type, we are going to select one way. Okay, so for example, we are flying from Manila. So you just have to input right here the country that we are going to visit. So for example, Canada. All right, so let us see if there are available flights for this destination. All right, and then your departure date. So see for example, next month. Okay, on the 10th. After that, click on continue. So here, just have to click on the search flights option. Then just wait for a couple of seconds. All right, so for example, we have here the available flight from Germany to Manila. So we have here the dates and then of course the price. So for example, we are going to select this one. So click on next after that. Okay, and then you can also change here your currency. That's right. So we have here now the available flights. You just have to select your flights. For example, this one. All right, and then just select your flight. So we are going to select the economy basic, and then click on select after that. Okay, so once you're done is you just have to add here now your passenger details. So simply click on it. Okay, and then for the personal information, so you just have to make sure that the information that you are going to input here are all correct so that you'd be able to finish this flight booking here at Lufthansa. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.